Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can sell your Notion templates on Gumroad, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion templates are a, template, which is pretty much your own custom workspace, which you can create on Notion, where you can set up everything from tables to calendars to tracking checklists and so on and so forth. And this is your own personal creation and you can sell them online to other people. Now, first and foremost, make sure that your Notion template is unique, that it has your own personal twist on it, and that people have not seen that yet, or have not seen that of that type yet, and make sure it is in demand. Some are, I don't know, business management, habit tracking, task tracking, so on and so forth, project maintenance and tracking, and so on and so forth. And once you set all that up, you can then sell that on Gumroad, and this is a quick and easy article which you can just look up by yourself. But yeah, the way you can sell them is just create your own account on Gumroad. It is 100% free, as you can see, and it is pretty straightforward. You create it just like you would any other account. Then you need to link your Notion template on your store, and once you link it, people will be able to access it, and make sure that duplication is enabled so that people can download unique downloads, so that not just one file is downloaded and then that's it. And yeah, fill out your payment information, where you want people to pay you and how you want them to pay you. You can use, I think, PayPal and other similar services. And then you can link your product directly through your product link, or you can embed it on your own website, which is pretty cool. You can also market it through social media such as Instagram and TikTok. You can use built-in email marketing from Gumroad, etc., and so on and so forth. It is cool because, I mean, Gumroad is cool for selling because you can get people can get discounts, license keys, multi-currency is enabled, so you can pay in any currency you want, and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.